Next, and maybe blissfully short, is 7.4, writing the contents of an array on page 97. I have been maintaining that array operations mirror that of a file operation, and I'm going to keep that maintenance here. You'll notice these 3 lines of code are all we need to write the contents of an array. We have essentially a do loop, right? Because a do loop is going to be self-maintaining. It's going to set up our iteration, so it's going to go through the elements in our array, and it's going to go through the elements of our array until it hits the max number of elements. So, with our good tried and true example, if we have 30 elements in our array, it is going to go from 1 to 30 and complete that. Here's the problem. Do remember that arrays start at 0, not 1. So really, this has to go from 0 to 29 in most programming languages. Here in pseudocode, remember, as long as you're consistent, I'm okay with whichever one of the 2 of those that you choose, but be consistent. Start all of your array operations at 0 or start all of your array operations at 1, and 1 is the one you'll see the most consistently here in the text, but the one you'll see most consistently in the industries is 0. Next, it's just going to print the index of the array, so it's going to start at 1. It's going to print that, and we're going to go back up here to the top of our do statement. Next, it's going to print the contents of array at index 2. It's going to come back here to the top of our do loop. Finally, it's going to print the contents of our array at 30. It's going to come back up to the top of our do loop. That's going to be the max number of elements, and then it's simply going to end. Easy peasy, right? Every now and again, that's nice.